Welcome to 252 in a day. And yesterday the market wrap. It means that the index that is composed by many different papers start to go down. And there's no surprise on it, okay? We see here that yesterday was a bit drastic. It was a little bit more than 1% and with high volume. And is going around this area here that we see that's a resistance area. However, like everything in life, we don't need to be the first. We just need to be there in a good time. And we need to see how this will develop, if it will go down below this area here or not really. So this is the SPY, and I want to see the DGA as well, just in case. Okay, so DGA here, you see that is still more to give it back. Okay, so it may stop around this area here, and also high volume. So the volume have been increasing, and we are talking here about, I don't know, around 4 days with lower lows. Okay, so the market is clearly wrapping up, at least in my view. We have here a very good moment, let's say around June, between May, June, when we start to have the elections rally. And after August, after beginning of August, as we seen here, was actually the best moment if you are good in timing, because here everything starts to rally until this moment now from the elections. And now is that moment where, you know, the market needs to take a little bit of a rest, maybe a few days, maybe a few weeks, we really don't know. And once that is done, it will gonna resume this growth. Okay, I usually look to the index, but I don't follow that much because I understand that there are few papers, few stock that they are in the humble, so they are growing despite whatever happens. And this is what we are going to see here now. So in here we are seeing our screener. Okay, we did not change anything yet. We are keep just changing as the time passes by to understand better what's happening around us. Anyway, this is what our screen is showing now. Let me see if there's a way to update it, if it's not updated. And I'm learning everything here from scratch, okay? So it may also help you. So look at here, we have APLD that it seems to be in the young bull. So let's just take a look into this. APLD. So APLD, okay, I would wait a little bit here. It's showing something good because in here we have lower higher, you see, it's something good. And also we have a big volume in here, so it still needs some time to develop and have a clear trend, as we just saw in the index. However, now is a very interesting moment to have at least a signal and have something in here just to see how it flows, how it goes, before you take it seriously and go for it. Okay, so this is a very interesting one. Let me just check here on the weekly basis, so I can have a better picture of where this is coming from. Okay, I see that is not close to the all-time high. Okay, it's not that close. It's around 24, the high, all-time highs. And here's a resistance area around 9. So after break 9, it will go until here. So yes, it is interesting. The 200, I'm not sure. Okay, yes, I would have a signal in here at least just to see how it will develop. You can just, you know, I will just have something maybe like a fraction of it. I will not put nothing bigger than that. I don't know much about these guys yet. I may learn in time. So in here we have, oh, look at that, this guy here again. So we're talking about Uber again. I'm not gonna look into it. We just take a look, and it was not that, amazing. Maybe things will change in a few weeks. So as you see, the screener that we are having here, the criteria that we are putting here for companies that they are showing growth, most of them, as you just saw in the index, they went down. And the ones that went down, like this one here, around 4%, more down than the index, including this one here, 6%, those one may not be what we would like, can't just stick around that. Well, I think that's all for today. um, I don't have much else to look into here, and I am actually very excited for seeing the match between Tyson and Jack Paul. And if you can as well, just have some free time. It's weekend, the market's not gonna move an inch. Have a nice day.